G'day guys, Burn Dog here from Burn Dog's Garage. Just an update on what's been happening with our Mark 1 Rover P5. I'm Burn Dog from Burn Dog's Garage. So guys, what we've been up to on Matron, our P5 here. First off, it's been hard for Belinda and I both to get into the shed at the same time. Work's been crazy, so I tried self-filming to keep the project ticking along. Director really did not like my cameraman skills, so that's sort of been put on hiatus. So luckily enough, Belinda's in here today so I can run through what I have been doing on my own. So first thing, had to make a little stool for Belinda, so while I was at it, made myself a little one here. Just a bit of a practice of the upholstery, just knocked that up really quickly, but it's made life a lot easier while I've been cleaning up inside here. So what I've been up to, I've cleaned both wheel arches on the front here, also been cleaning underneath, so you can see a lot of the crud on that piece of cardboard down there. I drop it there just to collect any moisture that drops down. So I've been hitting it with degreaser and then cleaning that off with water. I've found the air-powered degreasing gun really good. Also means I can buy the bulk degreaser rather than cans of it, and I'm not breathing in aerosol rubbish while I'm underneath. Really just want to get the car clean underneath, so when I'm rolling around underneath and not getting stuff drop in my face and my eyes. I do wear glasses, safety glasses when I'm underneath because I wear contact lenses, but it's still not nice. So that's what I've been up to there. You can actually see this is some of the crud that I've pulled off the driver's side wheel arch there, so quite a bit of Rover rust protection built in, that it's been oil and grease dropping in and stopping that rust there. Another job I've been doing, Matron hasn't wanted to go into park, and without the brakes done yet, I didn't want to start working on the engine until I definitely knew that it wasn't going to drive off any stands and do any damage. So I had a look at that and I actually disconnected the shaft, the selector shaft that goes down to the gearbox. Gearbox itself has gone into park, it selects all the gears nice and easily. In park, I've tried turning the tail shaft around, mind blank there, tried turning the tail shaft and that's locked up when I put it into park there, so the splines are being engaged and locked in place there. So now I know that the issue with it not wanting to go into park is up in the selectors, and it's actually quite messy around the switch to make sure the ignition will only work when it's in park or neutral. So I'll clean that up and there's a little bit of adjustment there. So hopefully that will solve the issue there. But at the moment it's in park and I've just got that shaft disconnected. So next step from now, a little bit more cleaning, clean up the engine bay, get the engine nice and clean. Then I'll start looking at starting it, and with the engine clean I can work out where those oil leaks are and move on to the next step. So that's what's been happening with Matron. Hopefully in the future that we'll be able to get these out a little bit more regularly, but being self-employed, running a small business, it's just what life is. So see you next time. Cheers.